Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Vans slip-on shoes. Original price was about $80 and on sale for 50% off, so it's $39.99 plus there's a $12 shipping fee. So let's go ahead and get this box. This is the one with the checker pattern. Hopefully there's no invoice in here, so let's see. So you got this air bubble wrap. Uh-oh, put it upside down, the shoe's falling off. Because the address label is on the other side. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. It's the box looks kinda smashed up already, so I'm not sure what they put in the box. And this is size 8. It says OG Classic Canvas Black White Checkerboard. Not sure why you're getting the size 8. This is from my son. And right here it says 9.5, so and like always, you got the size chart on the bottom. So I'm not sure if this is proof on my store shelf on what's going on. You see like a scotch tape, clear scotch tape, taping around the corner here. I guess it's a rip. Oh, actually there are a couple of the scotch tapes. And on this side as well. So I guess when you buy at the discount price, right here too. What the? It's on every corner. Oh, except this side. So here's the shoes. It says Vans Originals. This is pretty interesting. You got the extra leather patch around the heel cup right here. So this is like a off-white or cream white checkerboard. I'm not sure why they say white. As you can see right here is more white than on the top. You got the classic off-white patch on the back here, Originals. Got your Vans tag. And your size label, so it is size 8. So I'm not sure why he ordered this size. Normally he wears size 8.5. Check out this one. So you got it's more like a dog gum outsole or chocolate outsole, waffle outsole, okay? And this one you got the sticker that looks like new on this side. So I'm not sure if this one is display. Size 8. Alright, so here's my unboxing for this, and you got the quality control sticker. You got the fine Vans tissue. This is a plastic tissue paper. So let's give you guys an feel real quick. Not sure it's gonna fit or not. Size 8 is gonna be very small.